Welcome to my channel, The Baking Diva. Well, I guess you figured out by now, I am on vacation. A well-needed vacation. And I'm at the Jersey Shore. Wildwood Crest, New Jersey. We love it here. We try to come down every year. And we have perfect 10 weather every single day. Even the lifeguard said to me, you picked the best week to come down, and we're trying to do something a little different every single day. So I thought it would be fun to share it with all of you. So if you're interested in seeing some clips from my vacation with my family, stay tuned. And just so I don't make the video too long, maybe I'll do it maybe 3 parts. We'll see. You won't want to miss this, so you know I love you all. Stay tuned. I'll see you very soon. Toodles! Wildwood has one of the nicest beaches around. The beach is very, very big. I'll scoot down here. I'm on part of the boardwalk with a bench, and you can see how far you have to walk to get to where the water is. They even have little Jeeps here, and they have a special number, so you can call them if you need assistance getting down there, and they pick you up and they bring you down. That's the hotel we're staying at, the Adventurer. Oh, here comes the tram car right in front of me. It's making a little turn, stopping to pick up some people. No, I'm not going on it now. I'll go on it later on tonight.
Watch the tram car, please.
Watch the tram car, please. Watch the tram car, please. And this is the pool at our hotel. Beautiful. Heated. Although we didn't need a heated pool this week. We had perfect 10 weather every single day. Plenty of chairs and umbrellas and, perfect. There's the fruit man. Every day he comes, parks his truck, and he yells out, fresh fruit. He rings his bell. Fresh fruit. You can go down and get all the delicious fruit from him. Here's a little lounge area where you can come down. There's sofas. You can eat, have a little snack. There's quite a few TVs, and it's right off the pool. There they are, my 4 grandsons and 2 of their girlfriends at the start of our Wildwood Crest vacation.
Hello, baking Diva!
Hello, kids!
I got some.
What? Iron one. You didn't even get to it. Just thumb over it. Just thumb over it.
Iron, it's still so cold.
Oh my gosh. Come on. Oh my gosh. Freaking brick. You're gonna drown? Well, squirt.
I was getting drowned.
No,
No, not you.
you think you know how he's making it? How's Diva now? Oh my god! That was
Good, Renee, get him!
No, put your finger on it.
Don't mess with... They haven't learned not to mess with Renee. Yeah, get him, Renee. Uh-oh. It's coming to get you. Watch out. Watch out. Lucas. He's coming in. I can see it. There he goes. Whoa! And Aaron in the kiddie pool.
These guys ski for the video. These guys ski for the video. She's got that video.
First night of our vacation. And so far, it's starting out fantastic. Woohoo! We just made it to the beach, and everybody is trying to put up our canopy. It's very windy day. It's very warm and very lovely, but it is windy, so we hope our canopy doesn't blow away.
Aaron, is your GoPro on the outside or inside?
There's the girls sunbathing. Oh yes, to be that young again. But they put their sunscreen on, no fear. There's the kids out there in the ocean, jumping the waves. All 4 of my grandsons, and Renee and Jenna. Water's a little chilly when you first get in, but then it's not so bad. Boom! The waves are hitting me while I'm trying to take a video. Woohoo! Come on, kids. They're having a good time. Nothing like great weather when you're on vacation. Oh, uh-oh, naughty. Wave just hit me. There's the kids out there, jumping the waves. Lucas has his boogie board. He's trying to catch a wave out there. They're having fun. It's a beautiful beach day. Beautiful. Come on, Lucas. There you go. Woo! There he goes. Jake joined us here. Renee's pushing him. She's telling him, get in there. He goes, oh, the water's cold. She goes, get in there. Look at her. It's going to push him all the way in. Oh my God. He's like, oh, it's cold. It's cold. It's too funny. Oh my goodness. Oh. Here she comes. Come on, honey. Stop flirting with those lifeguards. They're looking at me. They are. Wait a minute. There she is, that good-looking fudgy wudgy girl. Her blonde hair and her black bathing suit and her tan. Wow, woohoo! There's the kids. Ah, here comes Lucas. Woo! Our first night of vacation, we had dinner at the restaurant Little Italy. We've eaten there several times before. The portions are gigantic and the food is delicious. Highly recommend it if you're down in Wildwood Crest, but be prepared to take home some doggy bags.
Hi, Grams. Baking Diva. Penny.
Hello. Hello, everyone.
Hi. A big penny.
Hello, everybody. Hello. Hi, everybody. How is it, Lucas? Good? Seafood? Jake has fettuccine carbonara.
I got chicken parm.
Renee has
Chicken parm with linguine.
Wow. Chicken parm with linguine. Look at all that. Dawn has the same thing. Oh, with spaghetti?
Yes.
Check out the thing. Let's go around the table. Kyle. Oh, Kyle, what is that?
Baked penne with meat sauce.
Oh, you changed your mind. That looks good. How is it?
It's good.
Good. What do you have?
Penne vodka with chicken.
Oh, Jen has penne vodka with chicken. Aaron? What do you have? Oh, okay. And Jason, oh, that looks good. Jason has a chicken dish.
Picante. Try it.
What is it?
Picante.
Picante. Oh, with peppers. He's got potatoes and vegetables. Everybody's enjoying their food. Now let me swing around the table and check out mine. I got the tour of Italy. It's a combination of spaghetti, meatball, sausage, stuffed shells, and ravioli. Yum, yum, yum.